Hey, what's up, fellow YouTubers? Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and innovation. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting topic lined up for you. We're going to dive into the top 5 reasons why learning AI is absolutely crucial in today's fast-paced world. So, if you're ready, let's jump right in. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept from science fiction movies. It's become a reality, and it's rapidly transforming various industries. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, AI is making its mark everywhere. By learning AI, you can be at the forefront of this technological revolution and contribute to shaping the future. As AI continues to advance, there is a growing demand for professionals with AI skills. Companies across the globe are seeking individuals who can harness the power of AI to solve complex problems and improve their processes. By learning AI, you open doors to a wide range of exciting career opportunities. Whether you're interested in data science, machine learning, or even AI ethics, there's a niche waiting for you to explore. One of the most compelling reasons to learn AI is its ability to enhance problem-solving skills. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and provide insights that humans might overlook. By acquiring AI knowledge, you can leverage this power to tackle complex challenges in various domains. From predicting customer behavior to optimizing supply chains, AI empowers you to find innovative solutions and make informed decisions. AI has the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of innovation. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. By learning AI, you become part of this innovative ecosystem. You can contribute to developing cutting-edge applications, push the boundaries of what's possible, and create solutions that have a positive impact on society. The possibilities are endless. In today's data-driven world, understanding and interpreting information is vital. AI enables us to process and analyze massive datasets, revealing insights and trends that can shape our understanding of the world. By learning AI, you gain the ability to extract valuable knowledge from vast amounts of data, helping you make sense of complex information and gain a deeper understanding of the world we live in. So, there you have it, folks, the top 5 reasons why learning AI is crucial. It's shaping the future, offering incredible career opportunities, enhancing problem-solving abilities, driving innovation, and empowering us to understand the world better. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember to stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy learning.